We just keep on walking, but never really getting nowhere. It's like we keep on talking.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing amazing. Let's jump into today's install and review because I promise you, you're going to be here just for a little bit. I'm not going to keep you here too long, I promise. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Unice Hair. We love Unice. I know I say it every time, but I really do. Like the wigs that I review from Unice Hair, always beautiful, every single one. So with that being said, of course they're going to be a staple over here on my channel. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch glueless 13x4 HD pre-everything plus drawstring. This is Waterwave texture mixed with Jerry curl. So if you look at the ends, it's a little tight and it has the Jerry curl. Two textures in one for the ultimate curly bust down. This wig is glueless as well. So I'm going to show you a few different ways to wear this wig.
Stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind and I've really tried. You won't let me in like we're strangers. Say opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels often. Should let it go, but somehow we fold and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. Like a we ever agree, make it fit in. It's just like well, we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you. It's just like we're, act just like we're fine, but this just ain't it. But every time we try.
Okay, I'm gonna take some foundation and rub it on this brush. So the lace does look a little light, and I've shown you guys how the lace looks in many videos. Try to remove some of that foundation that's there because it's gonna stick better if it has a cleaner surface. Okay, pressing it in. Okay, so we still want to leave this a glueless install, so we're gonna just define the lace part. I'm just gonna take some mousse. Okay, and I'm gonna put it along the lace. Here. I'm gonna wait a few minutes for this to kind of like settle in. All right, it's been a few minutes. Let's see here. And that is without like defining the curls. This is what the curls are giving. This is the first style. So it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace. When they say pre-everything, it means you don't have to do anything. She is glueless. So I'm gonna add a few baby hairs, okay? Nothing too crazy. And for that, I'm gonna go with my lace melt from my lace lineage hair. Hold and then begin to mold. See, just like that. Hold, let it dry, and then you mold. Spray, hold, and mold. Spray, hold, and mold. If you remember that order, you'll have perfect baby hairs every single time.
Somebody tells a lie, disrespecting my boundaries, acting like they don't care about me. Yeah. Call it out really early, let them know that they just can't hurt me, and pretend like it just didn't happen. Know that if I catch you lacking, keep it moving. I'm not gonna be somebody's backup plan, telling you not asking, don't do that again. Go ahead and leave, but don't come back for me. Listen to me carefully, I'm adamant. Say it with my chest, no, I'm passionate. Waving goodbye while I'm laughing. Behaving like a baby, yeah, you asked for it. You're gonna have to do a little more. Gotta do a little more. See this one before, now I'm gonna get more. Gonna have to do a little more. Gotta have to do it, gotta do a little bit more. You're gonna have to do a little more. See this one for sure, I don't like the way it goes on. Make it an easy choice. If I've had it with you, I'll go find someone else who's gonna understand. Someone who doesn't play pretend and show up if I need them. It doesn't have to be so difficult. Yeah, it's just common sense. I'm not gonna be somebody's backup plan, telling you not asking, don't do that again. Go ahead and leave, but don't come back for me. Listen to me carefully, I'm adamant. Say it with my chest, no, I'm passionate. Waving goodbye while I'm laughing. Behaving like a baby, yeah, you asked for it. You're gonna have to do a little more. Gotta do a little more. Seen this one before, now I'm gonna get more. Gonna have to do a little more. Gonna have to do You're gonna have to do a little more. Seen this one for sure, you don't like the way it goes on.
And this is one of the other styles that we came up with. Let me know what you guys think. I thought, you know, I'd try a little something. It's cute for the summer. Okay, let's move on. I'm thinking maybe finally we'll end it with like a ponytail, a low ponytail.
Gotta do a little bit more. Gotta do a little more. Seen this one before, now I'm gonna get more. Gonna have to do a little more. Gotta do a little bit more. You're gonna have to do a little more. Seen this one for sure, I don't like the way it goes.
You can wear it in a cute ponytail. Ooh. That is all for today's install and review. I love this wig. I think it's super cute, comfortable, versatile. You can do a lot of different styles. I like the unique curl pattern. It looks very natural. It looks almost like it could be my hair. I know it's a lot of hair, but hey, in some universe, okay? I am super impressed with it. I love it. It's super cute. I love the curls. I love the density. I love the texture, and the lace is easy to melt down, and you know, the fact that it can be worn glueless. 10 out of 10. And I love the little drawstring at the back. It keeps the back secured. Overall, I'm happy with this wig and the install. I think it's super cute, and I think this is a great addition for the summer. So if you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out before you go. Let me know your favorite style and what your thoughts are on today's wig and install. Bye.